You are eating fruit completely wrong. You think you're being healthy, but if you don't know the secret of color, you're wasting your money. This red fruit is for your heart, but this purple one is for your brain. I'm about to show you the hidden code in every fruit so you can finally get the benefits you're actually paying for. And stick around, because at the end, I'll reveal the #1 color I think gives you the most power in our modern world. All right, let's prove it. First up, the color that represents power, passion, and protection, the color red. When you see red, I want you to think of it as a shield for your body. And our first fruit is so powerful, it's literally ancient legend, the pomegranate. In Greek myths, it was called the fruit of the dead, but today we know it's the fruit of the living. The pomegranate, our first fruit, is a literal fortress. You see that deep ruby red color? That's not just beautiful, it's a warning sign to inflammation and cell damage. That vibrant red comes from a class of powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. But here's the secret. Pomegranates have a partner that makes them a true superstar, an even more powerful antioxidant called punicalagin. When that red color from the anthocyanins teams up with the punicalagins, they create one of the most potent anti-inflammatory duos ever discovered in nature. They act like an elite bodyguard for your heart, fighting to protect your arteries. And here's a pro tip that proves the power isn't just in the juice. That white, spongy part you usually throw away, it's also packed with these protective compounds. A little bit in your juice actually boosts its power. But what if I told you another red fruit, one you probably see all the time, could actually be dangerous for some people? I'm talking about grapefruit, specifically the pink and red kinds. You see that beautiful reddish blush in the fruit? That's not just its color, that's its superpower. You are literally looking at an antioxidant called lycopene. This is the exact same compound that makes tomatoes and watermelons red, and it's fantastic for helping protect your skin cells from sun damage, acting like a form of internal sunscreen. But that beautiful red fruit has a secret that can be dangerous. Grapefruit contains compounds that can block how your body absorbs certain common medications, like statins for cholesterol or some blood pressure drugs. So while the color signals a benefit, you have to talk to your doctor if you're on medication. It's a perfect example of why knowing this code is so important. And finally, let's crack the code on the most popular red fruit on Earth, the apple. Everyone says an apple a day, but nobody explains why the red ones are so special. The secret isn't in the apple, it's on the apple. That brilliant red skin is the entire key. The red pigment you are looking at is a powerful class of antioxidants called anthocyanins. They act as a protective shield for the fruit, and they do the same thing for your body cells. But that red skin has a partner in crime, another powerhouse antioxidant called quercetin. This duo, found together almost exclusively in the peel, works as a team to fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. So if you peel a red apple, you are literally throwing away its armor. Now, all those amazing benefits in the skin come with a little fine print, a little terms and conditions. Because that skin is the fruit's first line of defense, it's also where uninvited party guests like pesticides, wax, and travel dust like to hang out. These are the freebies nobody wants. So here's how you accept the good stuff and decline the bad stuff. Give it a proper wash. I'm not talking about a sad little splash. A good scrub under running water helps evict those freeloaders. This goes for all fruits, by the way. Don't let a little pesticide crash your health party. But the code has two parts. The inside has its own secret, a special fiber called pectin. Pectin is a prebiotic, meaning it's the favorite food for the good bacteria in your gut. So with a red apple, the color on the skin protects you, once it's clean, of course, and the fiber inside strengthens the tiny army within you. Okay, so red protects your heart and gut. But what if you want to look and feel amazing? For that, you need the color of sunshine, orange and yellow. This color is your ticket to glowing skin and a rock-solid immune system. And we have to start with the king of fruits, the mango. You see that deep, tropical yellow color? That's not just for looks. That color is the superpower. It's the visual signature of a powerful pigment called beta-carotene. Think of it like this. Your body sees that yellow pigment, grabs it, and converts it directly into vitamin A. And vitamin A is like a super nutrient for your eyes, helping you see clearly, especially in low light. It's what your body uses to build and repair skin cells, giving you that healthy glow. So when you see that vibrant yellow, you are literally seeing the fuel for sharp vision and healthy skin. But mangoes have a second secret power. They contain amylase enzymes. These are special enzymes that help your body break down carbohydrates, making your digestion so much easier. It's a 2-for-1 deal. Now let's talk about a tropical fruit where the color is just the first clue to its power. The pineapple. That bright, sunny yellow tells you it's loaded with carotenoids, but it's also a signature for one of the best sources of vitamin C on the planet. Vitamin C is the master nutrient your body uses to build collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and your joints healthy. So that yellow is a sign of a true youth-preserving nutrient. But the color is just the warm-up act. The real secret weapon in pineapple is something you can't see, an enzyme called bromelain. Think of bromelain like a tiny demolition crew for tough proteins in your body, which is why it's also a natural meat tenderizer. This incredible enzyme helps reduce bloating and inflammation so effectively that it's a secret weapon that fitness pros and athletes use for rapid recovery. It's a 2-in-1 superpower. And of course, we have the icons of this color category, oranges and lemons. That incredibly bright, almost neon orange and yellow color isn't an accident. Think of it like a giant billboard that nature put up, screaming, "I'm packed with protective compounds." While everyone knows about the vitamin C, the real magic behind that color comes from powerful antioxidants called citrus flavonoids, especially one called hesperidin. This compound is a game changer. Think of hesperidin as a personal trainer for your blood vessels, helping them stay flexible and improving your body's circulation. And when it teams up with vitamin C, they become a microscopic security force for your cells, protecting them from damage. That's why I drink lemon water every single morning. It's a simple habit, but you are literally drinking the color of cellular protection. It makes a huge difference. Now, for the color that, in my opinion, is the most important for our modern stress lives. If you care about your brain, want to stay sharp, and fight mental fog, you need to be eating blue and purple. This is non-negotiable. And the king of this category is the blueberry. These are called brain berries for a reason. They are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which studies like the famous Mind Diet study show can help protect our brain cells from damage and slow cognitive decline. Pro tip: frozen blueberries are just as good, and some research suggests freezing breaks down the plant cells, making those powerful anthocyanins even easier for your body to absorb. But blueberries aren't alone. You have blackberries. If blueberries are for memory, blackberries are the protectors. They have one of the highest antioxidant scores of any common fruit, and they're loaded with vitamin K, which is crucial for bone health. And don't forget purple grapes. That deep color comes from resveratrol in the skin, a famous compound studied for its anti-aging and longevity benefits. When you see this color, you know you're protecting your brain for the future. Okay, the next color is one where the biggest benefit is a total surprise: the color green. You see green and probably just think healthy, right? But it's why that's so amazing. Now for the king of the green fruits, the one that broke the internet, the avocado. You see that rich green color, especially the dark green part right next to the skin? That's your first clue. That color is a signature for two powerful antioxidants called lutein and zeaxanthin. Think of these like built-in sunglasses for your eyes, helping protect them from the damage from the blue light from all our screens. But as amazing as that is, the color is hiding an even bigger secret. And that secret is why so many people get this fruit completely wrong. People see this fruit and they think one word: fat. Wrong. It's filled with a super fat, monounsaturated fat that your brain and heart are desperate for. It literally builds your brain cells. And bonus fact, that massive seed in the middle, don't throw it out. In some cultures, they grind it up because it contains even more antioxidants and soluble fiber than the flesh. Crazy, right? But what about protecting your eyes? If you stare at a screen all day, this next fruit is a non-negotiable: the kiwi.
You see that almost unnaturally vibrant bright green color? That's not just for looks. That brilliant green is the visual signature of two crucial antioxidants for your vision, lutein and zeaxanthin. Your body sends these two compounds straight to your retinas, where they literally build up and act like internal sunglasses, helping to shield your eyes from the constant damage of blue light from your phone and computer. But the kiwi has a second secret hidden in that green flesh, a special enzyme called actinidin, which is incredible for helping your body digest protein, especially from things like meat and dairy, so it protects your eyes and helps your stomach. It's a total win-win. Okay, you've made it to the final color, the one that everyone overlooks, the color white. These fruits don't look as flashy, but their benefits are incredible. We're talking about the most popular fruit in the world, the banana. Forget just potassium. Bananas contain tryptophan,
An amino acid your body uses to produce serotonin, the happy chemical. But the real secret? Eat them when they're still a little bit green. That's when they're full of resistant starch, the ultimate superfood for your good gut bacteria. And want another secret? Coconut. The white meat is full of MCTs, a type of fat that your body can use as instant, clean energy without the sugar crash. It's rocket fuel, hidden in a plain white fruit. So, after all of this, what's the #1 color you should prioritize? If I had to pick just one for our modern lives, it's blue and purple. Protecting our brain from stress and aging is the ultimate health hack. But the code is the key. Let's recap it. Red for your heart, orange for your immunity, purple for your brain, green for your eyes, and white for your energy and mood. You now know more about fruit than 99% of the people in the grocery store. Now that you know the color code for modern fruits, what if I told you that ancient civilizations had their own list of superfruits, fruits used as actual medicine for thousands of years to treat everything from battle wounds to plagues? One of them, a strange red berry from the Himalayas, was called the longevity fruit. Click right here and I'll see you there.